Well, hello and welcome back. This video is going to be a gentle introduction into using Google Colab. So if you're new to it, this is a great starting point. Let's learn together. And I'm going to be going from scratch. I'm going to be telling you what Google Colab is, how you can access it, and yeah, just a very mild and a smooth introduction. Let's go. So this is google.com. I know it's doing all the weird stuff, but it is google.com. So first you get to your drive. This is one of the easier ways to get into Google Colab. I don't particularly know what the hard way is, but this is one of the easier ways. So you get into this drive, and let me try to make the screen a touch bigger so that it's legible if you're also on mobile. And this is your drive. And over here, you right click. And so this is the Google Drive. For those of you who don't know, you can it's like a cloud. It is a cloud storage. You can put all your stuff over here, like your photos, videos, and any other documents that you may have. You can put it over here, and you can share it with others. You have a limited space of about 15 gigabytes. So yeah, so right click and you get this pop-up of options, and you click on more. And over here you don't generally have Google Colab by default. It's more of a privilege, and it's not that we're entitled to it, but it's an option that Google is providing us. So it's by default it's not there. You have to click on connect more apps, and you'll get this pop up. And over here you have to scroll down and look for this Colab. Click on this, and you have to install it. So that's how you get Google Colab installed on the drive. It's not going to be installed on your PC or on the browser as such, but it's going to be installed on the drive. So don't worry about your PC space or anything else. You have really nice sunlight peeping through. That's nice. It's been a while. Anyways, wonderful day. All right. So that's how you get it installed. And to create a new file in Google Colab, again, right click, scroll down, and click on Google Colab. It will open up in a new tab, which is good. And you just wait for it. And once it's done, my suggestion is to rename it immediately so that you don't forget to something more meaningful. Let's say sample file version 1. All right. Okay. And the basics are that you do plus S to save the file, or you could go to file and you could save it from here, but control S is an efficient way. And to execute a code, okay, and we're going to be coding in Python. So we're going to be using this to code in Python. So Google Colab is essentially something like a Jupyter notebook, but on Google's servers. So over here on the right side at the top, you can see this connect button. So this allows you to connect to Google's runtime and Google's servers to execute the code over there. So initially you had to install Conda or other Python development and environments for you to code in Python. So I've used I've used Jupyter notebooks earlier. This is essentially Jupyter notebooks on the cloud. And you might ask, why should I use Jupyter notebook? Why can't I use something else like Sublime Text? You can do that. The thing with Jupyter notebooks is that it's a bit more elegant to share. It's like your presentation and your code in a single document. So that's why you'll see as we progress. So if you've not used Jupyter notebooks, don't worry about it. We are going to be looking at Google Colab. So if someone asks you, have you used Jupyter Notebook? Just say, yeah, but in Google Colab. That's pretty much it. So this IPYNB at the top, usually your Python files are in .py format, they're not in IPYNB. IPYNB just means Python notebook. And this is also the format of Jupyter Notebook. So essentially you could export these files, fade it onto Jupyter Notebook, and it will still work. I know I'm talking a lot about Jupyter Notebook, but to those of you who already know, it might sound a bit repetitive, but to those who are new, it's for you guys. So You can click on this play button over here, or on this runtime to execute your code. And you can also use Shift plus Enter to execute your code, which is what I prefer. All right, let's get started. Whoa. Print hello YouTube. You see what I did there? I didn't do hello world. I did hello YouTube because I'm a snowflake. Just kidding. All right, Shift Enter. Waiting for it. Okay. If you move your attention over here, see it's connecting. It's initializing. So it's connected to the server, and now we have Google's server space. That's great. And I'll show you how to connect to their GPUs and TPUs in the upcoming videos for free. And you can also do that in a paid method, but at the moment we'll look at the free option. Anyways, we've executed our first line of code. Great, give yourselves a hand. Cool. And let me just print something else. See what I did there? I printed something else. So the series is not just going to be about Google Colab. I mean, it is. We're also going to be learning a bit of Python. And for those who already know a bit of Python, we're going to be delving into a couple of more things like extracting data from an Excel sheet you might have, or a Word document, or Google's own spreadsheets. And we're also going to dive into Plotly dashboards, creating beautiful dashboards and visualizations, and a bit of data analysis. So for those of you who are not aware, I am currently at the verge of completing my master's in data analysis for business intelligence. So it's going to be helping me and helping you as well. So sorry about that. Visual benefits. Either way, now you might be asking, Abhishek, this is excellent. By the way, my name is Abhishek. Hi. Abhishek, this is excellent. This looks nice, but why would I want to do that? What's special? Apart from the fact that Google's offering you their server space and you don't have to install your Python locally, and you can also run this on your phone. You could do that, so that's cool. But apart from that, what is special? Well, I am glad you asked, or I asked. You could share these notebooks with people who can execute it, who can edit it, and who can benefit from it. But the thing is, you don't. I don't think you'll be able to save the changes. I don't think they'll be able to save the changes. So yeah, let me try showing you how to share it. Okay, we just renamed it. Maybe we didn't save it. Let's do a Control S. Let's save it. We've saved it, and all right. Actually, my monitor is going crazy. It's just flashing black screen and back to normal screen again for some reason. Probably lose HDMI connection. I gotta look into it. Anyways, we come over here, right click on the file, we click on share, and unless you want to specifically share it with certain people, Shreyas is it's just consider it as an alias at this point. It's just a dummy account. Either ways, you can click over here if you would like to share it with anyone, which I want to, because I'm going to be putting it on YouTube, where anyone can access it. So anyone should be able to access it. So I want them to be able to use this. I'm going to click on copy link. I'm going to click on done. All right, that's about it. So let's verify if it's working. We click here. Oh, how convenient. I have an incognito tab open already. Huh. In case you didn't catch that, I'm just pretending. So I haven't logged onto my Gmail. So this is an incognito tab. I'm pasting the link over here and I'm clicking on enter. And as you can see, The saved status has popped up over here. So any changes I do here will not be saved over there because it's just readable. But I think with the click of a button, I mean, I just keep saying I think. The truth is that you can make it editable for people. It's as easy as flipping a switch. Just click on share, and over here you should be able to change this to just a minute, commenter, editor, anything else. So theoretically, anyone with the link should be able to do anything. But for the moment, I'm just going to set it to viewer, because I'm also a YouTube user. I've also been a commenter, and I've also used notebooks, and I'm relatively young, so I know the perils of turning on the editor mode and sharing it with the entire world. So sorry, sorry, sorry about that. Anyways, you should be able to edit it and use it. You won't be able to save it, so that's okay. Do it with your own drive. Now you know how to do it. So yeah, go ahead, go out there, explore the world, explore my Google playlist for more videos, which I am going to be adding soon. In case you're looking at it right now, as soon as I've added this video, and in that case, please subscribe and like or dislike the video. But we don't have a dislike counter, so it's better you just like the video so we can see the count. Uh, Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This has been wonderful. I will talk to you in the next one. I'm about to head out there and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Why don't I just show it to you? Ta-da. It's wonderful. Okay,